All right, happy homeowners. Back over here at Huntington Beach, refinishing these original oak hardwood floors. Got that job down in Newport Beach. Try to get an update on that for you guys. Starting big house over in Tustin. Remember this floor, Jose did the video yesterday. Just black. They had mopped on freaking black, like paint. Really, it looked like it was instead of having clear polyurethane, it looks like they mopped on a black polyurethane. Kind of see it in the closet. Hideous, but man, this is going to be such a difference. In this, you don't see it a lot, especially with the 1/2x2, meaning 2 inches wide, 1/2 inch thick. But if you see, these are all little short boards, what we call shorts. We used to be able to glue those down to the concrete years ago, and I don't mind it. I like all the different little pieces. This is the number 2 common, so you have a lot of the mineral marks, but just a good looking floor, especially once we put that clear on. It'll make everything stand out. All right, try to do one more video once we get a couple of coats of finish on. Any questions, reach out to us. Get a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Floors. Let us know. Thanks.